Environmental Science 1. Lesson number 10, Getting to Know India, Questions and Answers. Fill in the blanks. First one, India's northern border is defined by the lofty Himalaya ranges. Number 2, Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Number 3, India is a democratic republic. Number 4, Goa is the smallest state in India. Number 5, Madhya Pradesh is the second largest state in India. Match the following. Column A is in green color. Column B are the answers. So first one, Lakshadweep Islands. Answer, Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Answer, Bay of Bengal. Coastal Islands. Answer, Indian mainland. You have to make two columns, column A and column B. In column A, you will write down the questions which are typed here in green, and in column B, you will write down the answers in front of it. The answers are already given. Answer in one word. Number 1, a primary crop in the north. Answer, wheat. Number 2, a primary crop in the south. Answer, rice. Number 3, capital of India. Answer, New Delhi. Correct the following statements and write the answer. Number 1, there are coffee plantations in Himachal Pradesh. Answer, there are coffee plantations in Kerala. Number 2, Konkan lies in the eastern part of India. Answer, Konkan lies in the western part of India. Number 3, Jaipur is the smallest state in India. Answer, Goa is the smallest state in India. Number 4, the Sabarmati river flows through Madhya Pradesh. Answer, the Sabarmati river flows through Gujarat. Number 5, the Sahyadri mountains are located in Andhra Pradesh. Answer, the Sahyadri mountains are located in Maharashtra. Now, study the physical map of India carefully and answer the following questions. Please follow the physical map which is given in the textbook and answers are given ahead. Number 1, find the mountains and name them. Answer, the Himalayas, the Sahyadris, the Satpura, the Vindhya range, the Aravalli range. Number 2, name the hills shown on the map. Answer, Nalamala Hills, Mahendragiri, Malaigiri. Number 3, find and name the plateaus in the map. Answer, Deccan Plateau, Telangana Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Karnataka Plateau and Malwa Plateau. Number 4, which rivers originate in the Himalayas and join the Indus? Consider the height and write the direction of their flow. Answer, River Jhelum, River Ravi, River Chenab and River Satluj join River Indus. They flow to the south. Number 5, write the names of the major rivers which flow into the Coromandel coast. Answer, River Kaveri and River Krishna. Number 6, study the course of the Ganga, Narmada Vainganga, Godavari and Kaveri river. Note the slope of the land in each basin and write the direction of the slope. Answer. River Ganga flows eastward. River Narmada flows westwards. River Ganga flows southwards. Godavari and Kaveri flow eastwards. Find the lakes on the map and name them. Answer. Lake Bula, Lake Dal, Lake Chilka, Lake Koleru, Lake Lonar and Lake Pulikat. Let me tell you, Lake Dal is in Jammu and Kashmir, which is one of the famous and very beautiful lake. And Lake Lonar, which is created, it is because of the asteroid which has fallen on the earth. Question number 8. Find and name the gulfs and the direction in which they are located with respect to India. Answer. Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Kambat in Gujarat, west. Gulf of Mannar in the south. Question number 9. Study the water bodies on the 3 sides of India. Find their names and write the direction in which they are located. Answer. Arabian Sea is to the west, Bay of Bengal to the east, and Indian Ocean to the south. Number 10. Find the Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island groups and write the names of some of the islands. Answer. In the Lakshadweep lies Chatlon, Andron, Kalpeni, Tree Island. In the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lies Car Nicobar, South Andaman, Coco Island, North Andaman and Middle Andaman. Question 11. Which river basin is located in the northern plain of India? Answer. To the north of India lies the river basin of Ganga. Now, next is study the political map of India given and answer the questions. If you will observe my lesson, I have already explained you what is the difference between a physical and a political map. This is a political map. You have to observe this and answer the questions. First one, find a state, color it with your favorite color and write the name of its capital. Answer. Maharashtra. Capital is Mumbai. Color it in red. Example over here, you can say this is Maharashtra and this is your state of Maharashtra, and you have to color the state with red color. Okay, and the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Okay, I hope you got it. Next, which is the northernmost state? Let's see. The northernmost state means here. You can see the northernmost state here is Jammu and Kashmir. The northernmost state is Jammu and Kashmir here. Okay. Now, next one. Which is the southernmost state? Let's go behind. You can see here the southernmost state over here is Tamil Nadu. Okay. You saw the northernmost state is Jammu and Kashmir and the southernmost state is Tamil Nadu. Color the largest state in yellow and circle its capital. You all know which is the largest state? The largest state is Rajasthan. Correct. So here is Rajasthan. Here you have to color it with yellow. I will use another one, but you can color it with yellow. Here, this part. This is the largest state. You have to color it with yellow. And circle its capital. Which is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Next question is, what do the names in red letters show? The names in red letters show union territories. And you all know, according to 2020, which is updated, how many union territories are there? Because Delhi is one of the union territory now. So total there are 8 union territories and 28 states. Now let's see the states to the northeast, their names and their capitals. Write down name of the state and the capital. So the state is Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Meghalaya, Shillong. Nagaland, Kohima. Manipur, Impal. Mizoram, Aizawl. And Tripura, Agartala. Use your brain power. Which is the state next to us which was formed in the year 2014? Answer, Telangana state. In which state is the Great Indian Desert mainly located? In Rajasthan. In which state is tea grown? West Bengal and Assam. Find the states in which apples are grown. Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Thank you.